Hello, I'm Steve, this is Bit of Munch, and welcome back to the channel. On an extremely hot day here in Kent, so I'm having something in curry sauce. Of course I am. But I don't think it'll be particularly spicy, but I don't know yet, do I? So I've got Bird's Eye Steamfresh Malaysian, let's start again, Malaysian Laksa style noodles. And this was £2. Normal price is £3.50, but it's on offer at the moment for £2. 350 gram bag. Meal for one. Steam in 8 minutes. So you steam this in the bag. Microwave it in the bag. And this is a relatively healthy meal. And it's vegetarian. Okay, if you're still watching, because quite often when I mention vegetarian, a lot of people go, oh, vegetarian, like rubbish, mate, turn off. You know, some people have just got this block against vegetarian food. I don't know why. Yeah, anyway, back to the healthy aspect of it. Have a look at those traffic lights. 3 greens and 1 amber. The amber is the salt, which is quite high, unfortunately, but at least the fat and the saturates are low, and the sugars. Okay. So, what's it got in it? What's it all about? It says, tagliolini pasta noodles and vegetables in a curry sauce. The noodles make up 49%. The mixed vegetables make up 45%. So a huge amount of veg in this. And the vegetables are leek, green beans, broccoli, onion, and bamboo shoots. I've said before, haven't I, that you hardly get any ready meals with bamboo shoots in or water chestnuts. But at least this has got bamboo shoots. It hasn't got any water chestnuts, unfortunately. But, yeah. I guess I could have added some. I could have bought a tin of water chestnuts and added them, couldn't I? Never mind, I haven't. Yeah, so this is actually one of your 5 a day. It says no artificial colours, flavours or preservatives, which is good. The curry paste in this, one of the ingredients is lemongrass. So I'm thinking this might taste like a Thai curry. I don't know. I'm not familiar with Malaysian food at all. I'm not very familiar with Thai food, but I know lemongrass is one of the main ingredients in a lot of it. So, yeah. How long does it take? 8 minutes, I think. Does it say on the front there? Yes, 8 minutes. So what you have to do, you put it in the bag that way up, because there's a tiny little vent on the front there. You see that? You do it for 4 minutes, give it a shake, and then do it for another 4 minutes. And then leave it for a minute to allow the sauce to thicken, and then pour it all out. Okay. Bird's Eye Island, made by Nomad Foods. Right, let's get that microwaved, and we find out what it's like. Yeah, it's relatively healthy. Is it going to be relatively tasty? Okay, here we go. Doesn't seem to be a huge amount of sauce in there, but then going by the picture on the front, that doesn't really show much sauce. And it does actually look very much like the picture. I've had to give this a really good stir. I got 2 forks to pull all the noodles apart. It's like shredding meat. But it smells very veggie. That's the overall smell, really, is veggie. yeah, I'm not picking up much in the way of spices or anything like that. Okay, here we go. Malaysian style laksa noodles. Okay, I've got mainly veg there. This needs something. And what it needs is flavour. It hasn't got much flavour at all. There's a big old bamboo shoot there. I think the best way to look at this is as a base to add other things to. Because on its own, it really hasn't got much flavour at all. Yeah, reading through the ingredients, there's lots of ingredients, there's lots of spices, lots of other things. But you can barely taste any of them. The texture of the noodles is okay. The veg is okay, but it's all a bit dull. I wonder if soy sauce would liven it up. Can't do any harm, can it? I didn't get this out of the cupboard because I didn't think I'd need it for this. Okay. There we go. Loads of soy sauce. Let's pick up the bit of noodle that I dropped on the worktop. That bit of a stir around. Let's see what that's like now. It's got to be better. Oh, that's a huge amount better. And I knew I was taking a risk wearing a white shirt. I've already dropped a couple of little speckles there. Ah well. Okay. Let's sum up. You know what I'm going to say, don't you? Bird's eye. Steamfresh Malaysian style Laksa noodles. They're dull. Very, very dull. I've added some soy sauce to help liven it up a bit, which has definitely helped. But without adding that, they're just incredibly dull and boring and lacking in flavour. And I can't recommend this whatsoever, unless you're going to use it as a base to add other things to. But then if you're doing that, you may as well buy separate noodles, separate veg, which would work out an awful lot cheaper than splashing out for one of these things. Yeah, not a good one, Bird's Eye. Not a good one whatsoever. Oh well, I'll go and eat it. It's my lunch, you know. A bit more soy sauce. There's also a Korean style one in this range. Have any of you tried that? Have any of you tried this one? Please let me know. Right, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.